how to get Discord token. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Discord on our browser, because this method will only work on our browser. So make sure that you are logged in right here. Now, once you are logged in, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the upper right corner of the screen and then click the three dots. So currently I'm using Google Chrome. So if you're using a different browser, then all you have to do is to look for developers tools. Now in this case, in Google Chrome, this is where it is located. So just click developer tools right there. And once you are now here, and in this part, you will see this elements, console, sources, and network. So what we're going to do is to look for application. So just click the arrows right here, and then you will see this application right here. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to click for the local storage. Click right there. And then you will see this https discord.com. So all you have to do is to click that. And then what we're going to do next is to click this toggle device toolbar right here. And then once it is right there, it is converted into a phone. What we're going to do in this part in the search bar is to search for token right there. And then you will see your token right there. Now, what we're going to do is to copy the token right there. So all you have to do is to copy that. And then once you do that, just paste it into wherever you want. And that should be it. So that is basically it. That is how to get your token in Discord.